guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what Florafox is going to look like, or the mythical epic version of Florafox. So yeah, before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to hit 2K by the end of the year. And now let's go ahead and look at it. So Priest on the Prodigy Wiki found that when you look at Prodigy Mythical Epics, you can have this, but using Inspect, he was able to find where it had what all of them were going to look like, including the Florafox version. So if you go into the game, it looks like this, or if you go into the CDN files, it looks like this. So it does look like it's going to be pretty cool. So this is what the icon looks like. This is the spine. So the only thing that I'm having trouble figuring out is this part, because I don't know what that is supposed to be. But so yeah, that is what the Florafox Mythical Epic is going to look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.